Hello everyone, let's continue our session that was about connectors. Yes, in the last session we talked about several set of connectors which had 2 to 4 different structures. In last sessions we also changed sentences according to different structures given. And I'm sure it must have been an interesting journey till now. Today's session we are going to start with if and unless. So, if and unless both are used to show condition in a sentence. Unless is the opposite of if, which means unless is equal to if not. When you have the first sentence of simple present, the other clause will be of simple future. And if the first sentence is past perfect, then the second clause will contain perfect models. Let's understand it with 1 or 2 examples. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. If you work hard, that is the simple present tense. The second clause is simple future, you will pass the exam. Here I would like to mention that this is the positive sentence. It is if, and if you want to make the sentence with unless, that is if not, unless you work hard. Unless, that is in the beginning of the sentence. Unless is the opposite of if. Unless you work hard, you will not pass the exam. So only condition is hard work. After if and unless, let's see some relation-oriented connectors. Yes. After if and unless is who, which, whom and whose. The structure says clause 1 will refer to a noun or pronoun in the beginning of the sentence, then relation-related word, connection-related connector will come in the middle of the sentence, and then it will be followed by clause number 2. Right. Who refers to a human being, as we all know. Which refers to a thing or animal. Use of that is preferred after several determiners like only, much, few, little, no, none, all, some, any, and etc. Take for example, the girl who is in red sari is my cousin. There stood the building which was demolished last year. After who, which, whom and whose, we have when, why and where. We generally ask questions with this WH word. When shows time, why shows reason, and where shows the place. If we look at some examples, let's say, do you know the reason why she left the job? So in the beginning of the sentence, clause 1 will end with the reason showing word, place showing word, or time showing word, and accordingly we will use when, why and where. After the connector will follow the clause number 2. You can see in the structure here as well, clause 1, then time showing word, or reason showing word, or place showing word, and whatever type of word the sentence ends with, accordingly we will use our connector. After that you can add your clause number 2. Next and the last set of connectors is either or, neither nor, both and, not only and but also. These 4 different connectors show that we have to choose from 2 choices. Yes, 2 alternatives when we have. At that time we can make use of these connectors. Which connectors? Either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. Both Ram and Mahesh are good friends. So here we have used both and. Either me or my sister will go to the party. Neither shows negation. Neither me nor my sister will go to the party. Not only me, but also my sister will go to the party. Here, our chapter connector ends with the proper understanding of either, neither, not only, but also, etc. So let's make a quick revision of whatever connectors we have studied in this video series. First of all, we took and, then we understood the usage of but, yet and still, or otherwise, so, therefore. Then we took if and unless, however, as, although, though, even though, even if, because of, due to, on account of, owing to, because, for, and since. And lastly, we did either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. Hope all these sets of connectors are clear to you. Then take a very good care of yourself. Thank you.